Jingu?
JinguKid!
Once in a village, as usual, one day he went searching for his food. From morning till afternoon, he didn't get even a pea-sized food.
Ah, God, why this treatment for me today? Hunger kills me. Let me start my search again.
The dog walked down the street and suddenly his mouth watered as he saw a mutton stall.
Wow, meat! How grateful I will be if the man throws me a bone.
The dog was standing looking at the meat. Seeing this, the shop owner threw a bone which fell near the dog.
Juicy bone. Let me go to the other side of the river, and what a good time I will have eating this meat.
The dog was about to pick a meat when he heard a growling sound. There, he saw another dog ready to pick the bone.
Oh my God, a competitor for me. I should get rid of him.
The other dog came near the bone.
Hey you, that's mine. Walk out.
I see. If you want to fight me and take it.
I am ready.
They both fought and finally the greedy dog succeeded.
If you would have walked out, you would not have suffered wounds.
The dog happily picked up the bone and started walking. The dog walked for some time and suddenly he stopped.
My conscience says that someone is following me.
The dog turned only to see a small dog following him. The fierce sight of the dog made the small one to tremble and it ran away. The dog again continued his walk. To go to the other side of the river, he has to cross a small bridge. While crossing the river, his head turned down slowly. Suddenly he stopped and looked down into the water. There he saw his shadow. On seeing the shadow, he thought,
Hey, that dog has got a larger piece of bone than me. How lovely it will be if I had that too. I will have it. Let me frighten him. He will run away leaving the bone. Then it will be mine.
He first made growling and moved his body as if he is about to pounce. The shadow too moved. The dog thought,
How dare he? It seems he is determined not to lose his meat.
the greed made him lose his thought. He started barking.
Bow, wow, bow, wow.
The moment he opened his mouth, the bone slipped from his mouth into the river and slowly started to sink to the riverbed. Seeing this, the dog realized how foolish he was. The dog was already hungry and now lost his meat too.
I should have been contented with what I had. Now I have lost the meat, which was the only lunch for me.